What's up guys, freshly approved patents by Google suggest that it could be working on a bezel-less design for the Pixel 4 smartphone that is likely to go official in Q4 this year. According to 91 Mobiles, the new patent for the Google phone had appeared on the database of World Intellectual Property Organization a few days ago. The schematics of the Google phone that has surfaced through World Intellectual Property Organization listing that its rear side will continue to sport a dual-tone design. The upper portion that could be made out of glass continues to feature a single camera like the predecessor Pixel phone models. The remaining portion of the rear shell could be metallic. A fingerprint scanner is also available on the back side of the phone. The front side of the phone is shown as blank, which suggests that it could be featuring a bezel-less display. Hence, the placement of the selfie camera could not be confirmed through the images filed in the patent. The power key and the volume rocker are on the right side of the phone. A SIM card slot is available on the left side of the phone. There is a USB-C port on the bottom side of the device. It lacks support for 3.5mm audio jack. Another Google patent that mainly concentrates on smartphones display has also been spotted at World Intellectual Property Organization. The images reveals that Google Pixel phone will be featuring reduced bezels around the display. The upper and lower bezels are very slim, but they still manage to house the two front-firing speakers. The upper bezel is so slim that it could not be confirmed whether it will be housing a selfie camera. If Google make use of this patent's design for the Pixel 4, its rear appearance will be almost same as the predecessor model. However, the major change in the design of the phone will be front, as it may feature a bezel-less display. So yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, smash that subscribe button and press the bell icon for more latest news, and as always, I will catch you tomorrow in the next one. Peace out.